On Executive Secretary da Energy Commissioner no engineer Oscar Amononesa na ene was electrical wiring any cable accessories regulation no kakakre bia omrahwebedwafo ho se wormo ebedi atum ebape wire sibi a chewo ne bewi achi de ohaw bebreye no ni nyina no wombe yi ede afri ho ene Ghana Electrical Industry Business Directory 2023-2024 and I want more power home to my within semi etuja.
Abra Ghana Electrical Contractors Association, Womo Pow, Womo Ghana Electrical Industry Business Directory, a year afi 2023 ne afi 2024. Magazine, Ewon Krano, an Executive Secretary, Edema Energy Commission, Engineer Oscar Amono Naza, Editor, Omanfo Enim say, Womo Shase, so Womo Esi Womo Edaya, Omanfo, Womo Conform, say Womo Meye, Womo Eninamunkania, Emom, near from electrician, Womo Shase, Womo Befa the Energy Commission for Ajomatum, Senebebua Womo Juma, Womo Adin, Sandi Tuja in Shishaya, Womo Aye, a Kuchin Krata, a comra Shebiduma, Womo Tusuanamon, no manfua, Womo Din Samone, and I'm Kutikwan so Eddie Enino, and Kania Huniama about my muan, a tour echa.
Yeah, it's a our parliament, no electrical wiring cables, any accessories. Inti Yeni Ghana Standards Authority. Juma, ya prescribe minimum standards for all the electrical wiring cables, any accessories. Make accessories sockets, when this law is passed, anything a year substandard and not inferior that doesn't meet these minimum standards of electrical wiring cables, any accessories now, it can't come into Ghana. So you cannot import, you cannot manufacture, you cannot sell or retail here in Ghana. So these standards are coming to get rid of all these substandard cables that come into the system with these accessories.
President Edema Ghana Electrical Contractors Association, Awao Sekib Mohammed, and so Kasawa de Tuja say, and will be here say or mine yebema yeni ako, electrical safety who send a bebo man for buying.
And Premtobre contractor no. A person on so near Faso. A bill would need him dear with the price electrical works, maybe a one price in ye. Now, still, a person man within the price range and did the best answer or poor quality materials. Now, the age man. Oh, yeah, sounds so I done an hour day. Or you are putting the building in danger.